It was during the Cold War era, and a new threat emerged. A tiny patrol boat fired Soviet-built Styx anti-ship missiles and sunk a 1,700-ton destroyer from 14 miles away. Following this event, the U.S. Navy had an urgent need for an all-weather, long-range, anti-ship missile of their own. Strategically, the Navy later decided they wanted the extra flexibility to launch the same type of missile either by air or by sea. Thus began Harpoon's legacy. On June 21, 1971, Secretary of the Navy John H. Chaffee announced that McDonnell Douglas Astronautics, a Boeing legacy company, had been awarded a $60 million development contract. They would be the prime contractor for the Harpoon missile system. Since the start of production, the Boeing team has built more than 7,200 Harpoons for the U.S. and 30 international allies. At the St. Charles, Missouri facility, nearly 300 Boeing team members develop, build, maintain, and provide operational support for Harpoon. More than just the missile, Harpoon includes the entire launching system and a robust training program for the warfighter. Since production began, the Harpoon team has developed variants for air, ship, and submarine launch capabilities. Today, Harpoon is carried on more than 600 ships, 180 submarines, and can be launched from 12 different types of aircraft. It can even be deployed from land-based launch vehicles. From its first launch in 1972, nearly 1,000 Harpoon missile training flights and test firings have occurred, with a demonstrated missile performance above 90%. As real-world threats evolved, Boeing has consistently and deliberately incorporated system improvements, including upgraded variants such as the state-of-the-art Harpoon Block II. Expanding the capabilities of the Harpoon, the Block II rapidly executes both anti-ship and land strike missions. With a range greater than 67 nautical miles, Harpoon's 500-pound blast fragmentation warhead delivers lethal firepower against a wide variety of targets. A Boeing legacy program, today's Block II Harpoons deliver the most relevant, innovative, and accurate technology. Harpoon is the world's premier anti-ship missile.